Okay, it's in that room where I could tell the top cop, I believe she rents. Can you hear that? It's constant rolling. I can get into that later, okay? It's in that room and they work in this room. The same rolling. You would think she was moving out really fucking quiet, like she's trying to leave quietly, but it goes day after day, hour after hour, day, afternoon, and night. This rolling construction silent thing. Okay, there's too much construction assholes that I'm not going to say anymore. I don't have to announce the obvious, period, writ large. They're at it again. They've been at it for over an hour. When they heard me, they started bashing and crashing and making, I can't find word. No, I'm not talking about them. No, I'm not talking about them. I am smarter than that. I know when to talk. They don't know when to stop. These terrorists here have no future and they have no present moment. What they're doing is obsolete and pointless, but they don't stop. I'm telling the top cop in this room, and you can hear it non-stop. I think it's a machine. They're gonna find out, the cops, the good guys. It's in both rooms, which is what I hear her marching out of to get me to talk. And there's way more than one fucking person up there too. There's gotta be at least 2 or 3. All right. Oh, the landlord definitely up there because his cat, he wanted me to talk, so he lets his cat, everything they can do to make fucking noise. So I can tell the top cop, the white female terrorist and the Middle Eastern guy who goes back 20 years, the landlord property owner terrorist, the male, they're both up there, and I strongly believe there's a third person up there. And they're working in both rooms. I think it's a machine, but the cops are going to tell me what this is. All right, bye.